Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. I've had these couches for a couple months now, and I just wanted to give you an update and show you how much we are loving them. So we have the two-seater sectional, the ottoman, and the single chair. And these were sent to me as a gift to test out in my home, and I am so grateful. And these have been so phenomenal. I absolutely love them. So the two-seater is the size of a traditional three-seat couch. So just keep that in mind. Like it's a normal size couch. Very comfortable. The fabric is so soft and just feels great. So I have 3 dogs, and look, they are all over this couch and you really can barely see the fur, which I personally love. This is the green color, and the arms are a little narrow, but with the cushions, they're fine. The ottoman does move, so we can have it here with a couch or here with the chair. It's actually, the dogs have claimed this as their own. They love it, but we are really just loving this set. It has been so nice and flexible. We can move it around, and it's comfortable to lay on, to sit on, and it's doing great. We're so happy with it.